Hello students, welcome, and today in this video we will discuss IELTS writing task 2. So the question is, people with a master's degree or a doctorate PhD sometimes have trouble finding a job because they are often seen as overqualified. Therefore, it is a waste of money to pursue anything more than a bachelor's degree. Do you agree or disagree? The basic premise of the question is that often people, that means HRs or employers, feel that people who have a master's degree or PhD are just too overqualified for that position. So overqualified means that they have too many degrees. Okay, they have super specialized degrees which are not needed for the position. Okay, therefore it is a waste of money to pursue anything. So therefore it's a complete waste of money to pursue anything other than a bachelor's degree. Bachelor's degree is enough for any position. Do you agree or disagree? So when the question says do you agree or disagree, you either have to agree with the statement or you have to disagree with the statement. In this case, I have disagreed with the statement. I do not think that the statement is correct. And the reasons are specialized knowledge. Several industries require specialized knowledge or research expertise, and having a master's or PhD can be essential for career advancement. Industries such as biotechnology, nanotechnology, pharmaceuticals often require a specialized degree so that the researcher can has the knowledge to research about the medicine. Okay, for example, vaccines are often developed by PhDs because they have a specialized degree. AI, artificial intelligence logarithms, or AI systems, for example, any AI language, is often researched by and made by PhDs only. So, tech companies like Google or Facebook require someone who has a PhD in computer science. Okay? For instance, advanced degrees are typically required for teaching as well as research positions that offer higher earning potential. Also, if you notice, teachers in well-renowned universities like Harvard, Stanford, Yale are all PhDs or they're pursuing their PhDs. Okay, so they not only have great knowledge but are acquiring even further. Okay, second is personal fulfillment and growth. For many, pursuing higher education is not just about securing a job, it is also about personal growth and fulfillment. Many individuals pursue advanced degrees because they have a passion for their field of study and want to deepen their knowledge. Many people want to study more. Why? Because they love to study. Some people can study for the longest hours. Why? Because they are genuinely passionate about what they do. So they want to increase their knowledge further and further. Okay? And that knowledge not only helps them in career but also helps them in terms of happiness. It provides them an emotional happiness also. Third is changing job market trends. Advanced education exponentially means like multiplicationally increases one's essential skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and research abilities, as well as help in adapting to changing job market demands. Advanced education increases the individual's problem solving skills. People who have done a PhD can solve the toughest of the toughest question with regards to that subject. Why? Because they have studied a lot, so they know the nitty gritty and how that technology works. Okay, so for example, a computer scientist will know each and everything about face detection capabilities, or how to enhance the technology further, so that fingerprint, like for example your cell phones require fingerprint detection, so they would know how fingerprint detection works. They will know everything about touch sensitivity, how to integrate that technology with the hardware of the mobile. Okay, so this knowledge comes with the fact that they have studied that field for the longest time. Okay, and that helps them to research and adapt to job market trends as well. So that, because they have that knowledge, they also have a vast network. Also, they can contact universities to know about what other companies are looking for. Okay, and so that they can adapt to different jobs as well as the changing landscape in the job market as well. So this was the video about if people with a master's degree or a PhD degree are overqualified for roles or not. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button